Monsoon Swings. Gattu was standing in heavy rain with a thick rope in his hand. Grandma, Chinky and other friends from the village were standing in the courtyard and shouting.
Gattu, come kiddo. Gattu, please come back. You will catch cold. No, I will come back only after hanging this swing. These are drizzle of monsoon. It will come and go. You come back.
But Gattu wasn't going to listen to any of that. He was spinning and throwing the rope over and over again, and the rope was slipping again and again.
This boy is not going to listen. He is just like his father. His father also used to stand for hours with the rope under this neem tree.
The monsoon had begun. Monsoon means the arrival of rain and the start of festivals. The holidays were going on. That's why Gattu Chinky had come from the city to the village, their home. Outside the city, they had a big old house amongst lush green nature. Grandmother used to live alone in that big house. But as soon as Gattu Chinky arrived, all the children of the village gathered and the house was filled with happiness.
Grandma, where are you lost? The rain had stopped. Gattu is shouting. Come on. Yes, let's go.
And then what? Grandma, Chinky and rest of the kids ran towards Gattu. As soon as they came, Grandma took the rope from Gattu, swung it and threw it in the air, and the swing was ready.
Wow, Grandma, great! I am old, but nobody from the village can compete with me. Now tell, who will swing first?
Seeing grandmother swing, the women of the village came running and shouted.
We want to swing! We want to swing!
On hearing their chaos, angry Gattu Chinky hugged Grandma tightly.
No, not at all. Hey, grandmother's beloved kids. We women have the first right to sit on that swing. Hey, Nirbala and Sunita, why are you teasing them? After so many years, they have come to the village from the city. Both of them have the right to sit on the swing.
Then what? Gattu Chinky were made to sit on the swing and grandmother started swinging them. Chinky was sitting on such a big swing for the first time. So she started shouting.
Hey, take me down! Take me down! Take me down!
Chinky, enjoy. You have experienced the ropeway and this swing is nothing in front of that.
And then Chinky sighed. Both the siblings started swinging and the women of the village started dancing and singing songs of the monsoon. The atmosphere became quite pious. Grandma was showing the entire program through her tab to their parents sitting far away from them in the city. Everybody was enjoying a lot. Seeing Gattu sitting on the swing, a very thin boy standing afar from them was feeling very happy. Gattu got down from the swing and walked towards the boy. Seeing Gattu coming, the boy ran away from there. Before Gattu could ask anyone, Nirmala auntie said,
Gattu, please record our video also.
And then Gattu was lost in the video.
Auntie, faster! Faster! Oh, I don't have strength like your grandmother. Grandmother, show your hustle.
And as soon as Grandma took over the swing, Gattu Chinky were stunned.
Mom, Dad, look! Grandma is doing sit-ups on the swing. Look, the swing is going so high. Oh, Grandma higher! Grandma higher! More higher!
And Grandma kept swinging without getting tired. Then everyone took a long break.
Grandma, we keep doing some adventures in the city regularly, but this swing is really great.
Hearing this, grandmother loudly said,
Oh, all that pranks are for town people. But you know, Gattu Chinky, this swing is for farmers. The tradition of swing in the monsoon is not just a tradition. It is an example for the wisdom of our ancestors. The trees and the plants remain fresh in the monsoon. Swinging under them gives our muscles plenty of exercises and plenty of oxygen.
After saying this, Grandma went inside the house with other women. Actually, they wanted to make desi ghee laddus for Gattu Chinky. Whatever had to happen as soon as Grandma left happened. Children started quarreling.
Now I will sit. No, I will. Hey, Dadu, Meena, don't fight over this. See, Chinky, Dadu always does this. Let's do one thing. Let's swing one round each. Meena played the least, so she will get the first chance. She will swing for 2 minutes, then Dadu. And like this, everyone will get 2 minutes. Then everyone will get a chance.
And then everything started happening with discipline. As soon as Dadu's round came, Dadu started swinging and then suddenly stopped swinging.
Dadu, you have 1 full minute left. Arey, I saw him coming. Home. That skinny boy Govind. What? Govind is here? We should ask him to go. He came before as well. He must have come to sit on the swing.
And then Govind dared to come closer.
Hey, let me also swing. Run away or you will be beaten. Yes, Govind, please go from here. Don't disturb us.
Grandma had come out after hearing the children making noise.
No, Govind will not go anywhere.
Hey, Grandma, you are scolding us because of Govind?
Yes, Gattu. I know that Govind is poor and infirm, but he also wants to swing. And Gattu, Govind is your friend too. I would say he is your brother, foster brother.
What?
Gattu, when you were an infant, you were very weak. The doctor had told us to feed you fresh cow's milk. Where will you get that in city? So I came to the village with your mother. Govind's mother was not there, so his father had bought a cow for him. Every day Govind's father used to make you and Govind sit on his lap and feed him cow's milk. Sometimes he used to feed you his portion too.
Hearing this, Gattu Chinky had tears in their eyes. Gattu went to Govind and said, holding his shoulder,
Govind, my friend, my brother, forgive us all. You want to swing, right? We both will swing together. Let's start.
And then Govind and Gattu started swinging together. All the other children started swinging them.
Faster, faster. Yes, faster, faster.
And thus Grandma saw Krishna and Sudama in Gattu Govind while they were swinging.